Hey GlamFam, welcome back to the channel, besties. Okay, so today I'm gonna be showing you guys how we replaced or bins on the fridge door. Now recently I noticed that, well, it's not recent, it's been a year. So I've been using these ones for a year. And so I noticed that they were broken. Maybe because I put too much weight, not I, but we. Maybe because we put too much weight on them, but they're broken. That one can probably do a little bit longer, but anyway, we're gonna change them out. So I'm sure you can identify this box right here. So we're gonna be doing an unboxing. So let's go ahead and we're going to unbox. I find that plenty appliances that we have in our homes, they don't necessarily need to be changed. Or sometimes we'll probably say, oh, I need a new one of this. But sometimes you just need to replace the smaller parts. And so Amazon has basically everything that you need. So before you replace your appliances altogether, try Amazon. I remember one time, I know this is off topic, but we have one of the magic bullets and it fell from one of the kids, and the bottom portion that was supposed to sit in the blender itself was broken, and I replaced that part with the little blades on Amazon. I also replaced parts of my Instant Pot on Amazon. So this might be something you'll consider before just changing out the whole appliance altogether. All right, so we're comparing both of these with the older ones that we have. Definitely the one that came in the fridge is a little bit thicker than the one we bought. I'm thinking too that it might have been crystallized on the side, not just the weight, but it could have been crystallized. But the one that came in the fridge is a lot thicker. Either way, as long as they measure the same size and they will fit into your refrigerator, I don't see a problem in getting it. Now, when I jumped over to Amazon, I realized that the one that we bought, the exact one we bought, was not available on Amazon anymore, but there should be others, and we'll take a look in a second. All right, so let's go ahead and I'm going to take these out and we're going to try the new ones to see if they fit. The good thing about Amazon is if the thing doesn't work, you are always free to return. So let's try them out to see if they fit. Perfect. So that fits. We really should have just taken the things off. It wouldn't have taken that long. But anyway, I'm going to keep using this one before I switch out the other one. That one is definitely going to be changed. And then let's jump over to Amazon. So we've been using the replacement. It's Kenmore. The replacement is not Kenmore. Obviously some China brand, but off brand. But that's okay. We've been using it for over a year and it still works. But what I've realized when I started looking on here was that they were out of stock. It gives you the measurement. So if you want to measure the old one, it gives you the measurement on there. You can get a good picture, a good idea of what it is that you're buying. And like I said, this one is out of stock, or else I would have linked it in the description. Currently out of stock, but there are plenty others on here, and it tells you what you can use it to replace. So not bad, because you need those little bins on the door. So if you're looking to replace your bins, there are options on Amazon that you can try out. And pay attention to the sizing pay attention to the sizing, because sometimes you might buy it and then it doesn't fit. So it's very important that you look at the pictures or look at the description of the product before you go ahead and purchase, just to be sure that it fits in your refrigerator.
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.